Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on finance which is taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump straight in. 7 years ago, Mrs. Gray decided to invest 18,000 Rand in a bank account that paid a simple interest at 4.5% per annum. Calculate how much interest Mrs. Gray has earned over the last 7 years. And this is worth 2 marks. So to do this, we first need to work out the total amount that was accumulated over the 7 years at 4.5% simple interest per annum. So our simple interest formula is A equals P open brackets 1 plus I times N close brackets. We then fill in all the values that we have. P is our principal amount, our 18,000. 1 plus our interest rate, so it's 4.5%, but that needs to be recorded as 4.5 over 100 because it's a percentage, and that is going to be multiplied by 7 because we are investing it for 7 years. So we put all of that in our calculator, and that gives us a final answer of 23,670. Right, now we have the accumulated amounts. In order to work out how much interest she's earned, we're going to take the accumulated amount and we're going to subtract the amount she invested. So, interest is therefore equal to 23,670 Rand minus our invested amount of 18,000 Rand, and that gives us an answer of 5,670 Rand. And that will give you your 2 marks, guys. So that's it from me, but before I go, I just want to do a quick shout out to our sponsor, Prolog Solutions. For all your export and import solutions, check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.